I hate this bloody alarm. I don't want to wake up. I'll do it tomorrow.
Sun don't stop for nobody, man. Sun don't fucking stop. Sun gonna be up in the morning regardless. That sun is gonna be up in the morning regardless of how I fucking feel and how depressed I am. The sun is gonna fucking shine in the morning, and at nighttime the moon gonna be there, and you gonna look up. These days gonna keep going by. So do you let the days go by and look up, and you done wasted a year doing what? Or do you just pick it up? All right, well, gotta figure it out. Made some mistakes. Life goes on. Let me figure out life from this point.
The mantra of the modern man. Tomorrow. The sweetest lie we tell ourselves. An escape hatch from the tyranny of today. But what if we told you that tomorrow is the greatest illusion of all?
That's 4 hours of my life I'll never get back.
George R.R. Martin, you better be working on that new book.
I am!
You said you would finish it years ago.
I'm gonna!
They already made 2 TV shows about it.
I know that! I went to the parties!
No more parties until you finish that book.
I'm writing it right now. I'm doing research. Oh.
The part of your brain that handles logic and planning loses the fight to the part that craves instant gratification. And the more we give in, the stronger that habit becomes. It's a vicious cycle.
Yes, there is something I want to ask you. All right. How the fuck do you write so many books so fast?
Laziness isn't a state of being. It's a war with a very real enemy. The illusion of tomorrow. The only way to win is to show up today and do one small thing. Because the weight of a mountain is nothing compared to the power of a single step. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now.
There is no tomorrow. I have to do it right now.